AI, deepfakes, chatbots, and cybersecurity are topics that are at the forefront of conversations around the world, especially here on Wall Street. So how do businesses get ahead of the bad actors? We're going to find out from a leading industry expert on this episode of Taking Stock.
I was the founder CEO of TrustPath, which was acquired by Zscaler 6 years ago. So I've been running AI machine learning for Zscaler first and then Palo Alto Networks.
Tell me about the biggest trends right now that we're seeing in the cybersecurity sector.
We have the generative AI. We can we can make the product a lot more automated. We can label the data. We can come up with the technology to actually identify bad things faster.
According to reports, AI chatbots are going to replace 20 to 30% of customer service agents by 2026. What are your thoughts on this, and how do you see the workforce changing in the near term?
For some use cases, precision is still super important. For instance, if you ask some cybersecurity question, how to configure my VPN or whatnot, you don't want to have an answer that might be hallucinating, right? So for those things, you don't really want to route to the bots to answer. But for some of the questions, you want to route to the bots. So I think 20-30% is roughly the right range for the foreseeable future, that I think the technology, with the current technology, we have the confidence to say, yeah, we can take care of that. We don't have to worry about the hallucination.
According to Microsoft's fourth work trend index, about 75% of knowledge workers, these are people who work at their desk, they use AI to become more efficient, more effective. What do you think about that?
If you really wanted to get ahead of the curve, you wanted to leverage the technology as much as you can. So I would say, sure, 75% sounds right, in reality. But my recommendation, my thought is the number should have been 100%.
Talk to me about where you see the cybersecurity sector, the implementation of AI, where you see this changing the workforce in the near term.
The product can be smarter, right? The product can identify, hey, this is a generative AI bots, identify depending on the policy. I may want to block it. I may want to do something. Maybe I need to look deeper into the data. You can talk to the product. You can actually intuitively use English language to program your VPN, your router, your security products. I don't think that's too far away, at least for a subset of the functions.
A lot of key takeaways there. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you, Trinity. I'm looking forward to speaking with you again soon.